Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to revise unit number 7, that is your digital documentation. From this unit, introduction and the session number 1 we already discussed. Today we will revise session number 2 and session number 3. In session number 2, the name is Insert and Use Images in a Document. It means that if we want to insert images in a document, then how we can do? There are 3 different methods, my dear student, to insert images in a LibreOffice Writer. First one is drag and drop. In drag and drop method, we just select the image, then drop into the LibreOffice Writer. And second one is from the insert menu, from the image menu. In menu bar, there is a separate menu from insert an image. We just click on image, then we find their option to insert image. When we just click on the insert image dialog box will appear. You just select the image from your computer and then click on insert. And now third one is these are the two methods by which we can insert the image. And one more method is there. We just right click of the mouse. There you will also find insert image. Just click on that. Again insert image dialog box will appear. Select the image that you want to insert and then click on insert. Now next topic is, after insert the image, what kind of operations we can apply on image. Means we want to delete some part of image, we want to resize the image, we want to make the copy of the image, and these are called image operations. Means we suppose that this is one image and now I just need this part of image. Then I'll use their crop option. And suppose I need the copy of same image again. Then I'll copy and paste the image. And next topic in the same session is there, how to use the symbols. Symbols, or you can say shapes. In LibreOffice Writer there is a separate section for insert the shapes. We can insert multiple shapes according to our requirement. And we can also change the color and fill with color all these shapes. Now come to the next session, that is session number 3, and the name of the session is Create and Use Template. Create and use template. Yes, my dear student, template means what? These are the pre-designed designs which we can use in our document. Suppose that we want to create a resume, but we don't know what will be the design for the resume. Then in LibreOffice Writer there are some predefined, means you can say already designed patterns are there. We can select the design from there and then make the document. Means template means what? These are the predefined design that already in our LibreOffice Writer, and we can use according to our requirement. And in template we can create different category, and we can also delete the category. Category means, my dear students, in template different category have the different types of design. Suppose that business category is there, that contains only business related design. Resume category is there, that contains only resumes related designs. We can also create our own category, and if we want to delete that category, we can also delete that category. Let's do all these sessions, session number 3 and 4 practically.